Many analytical techniques require the evaporation of organic solvents at ambient temperatures during the sample preparation process. Whether your samples are small or heat sensitive, Organomation's unheated MULTIVAP is the perfect solution. Organomation has been manufacturing sample concentration equipment since 1959, and the unheated MULTIVAP is one of our newest product offerings. These units are ideal for those evaporating batches of identical samples. The evaporation process is initiated by a gentle stream of nitrogen being blown onto the solvent surface, protecting the integrity of all sample types. With capacities ranging from 9 large beakers up to 100 small vials, you're sure to find one that will meet your sample throughput needs. Our 9, 30, 48, and 80 position models will all come with an anodized aluminum block to hold your test tubes, unlike our 64 and 100 position models, which will come with a stainless steel rack. Both are custom drilled to your specific tube size to ensure your samples are held securely. If more than one tube size will be used, additional sample holders can be purchased. Due to their small footprint, these units are perfect for labs with limited benchtop or fume hood space. The largest unit only requires slightly over 1 square foot of space. The gas delivery needles are connected to one manifold, allowing the user to start or stop gas flow to all positions with a single switch. The manifold also has individual toggle switches that control the gas flow to each row. Shutting off all unused rows can help conserve nitrogen gas while making the whole operation more economical. Each MULTIVAP unit is manufactured by hand in the US with only the highest quality materials. Each unit is carefully inspected and tested by our skilled production team. We take pride in our products, which is why each unheated MULTIVAP comes with a 1-year standard warranty, optional extensions, and lifetime customer support. For more information on our unheated MULTIVAP product line, please contact us at sales@organomation.com or call 978-838-7300.